Hi, welcome to this video in which I will show how to remove the plastic protection under tray under the engine, which you need to remove to do almost all servicing of the engine, including oil change, oil filter replacement, transmission oil replacement, and so on. So let's start. First, of course, we need to raise the car, and after that I will show you where are the bolts that need to be unbolted so that you can remove the plastic engine under tray. Now that the car is raised, as you can see, it's fixed. I've checked it, so it's really fixed so that it will not fall down, as you can see. Now, first we need to remove the under tray, so plastic under tray. As you can see, it's here, so this needs to be removed. I think that there are 9 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and then on each side 1 and 2 and 3 on each side. On each side another 3. So let me. So this is the 10. The bolt is 10, and let me just remove it now. Cool. Okay, and now let me just take it out, and this is it. It goes nicely out and out. So to put back the plastic under tray, it's quite easy. You just need to be careful here in front that you put it under this. Okay, let me just set this like this. Just to go a little bit there, and here it needs to go inside in the middle of this plastic here. Just do it like this. Okay, here needs to go like this. Okay. Side, and this one also inside. That's it. That's it. Okay. Here is okay. So now I will just use one nut to fix it. And this is this one here, and that's it. And now also on this side, so that that it holds up. Let me just find the hole. Okay, this should be it. Yeah. Okay, it's fixed now. Oh no. Okay. Again. That's it. So here the holes are okay. Here is okay. Here is okay. And now just all the nuts need to be screwed on so that it holds firmly. This is this one, and here. That's it. One is here. 3 are in the front, 3 on the right, and 3 on the left. That's it. So this one goes here. That's it. And one is here on this side, and 3 other are here. Oh, 2, sorry, 2. Yeah, that's it. So that it is fixed and everything is inside as it should be. This is it. Okay, this one goes here. And now let me just check this. Yeah. This is nice, this is nice. Okay, and now let me just screw them all the way. That's it. This one is done. That's it. First by hand, and then I will just screw them to the end. This is it. Okay, one more. So now 9 screws and the wrench is 10. And this one here. This is it. And this one here. And now I will just screw them to the end. The wrench. That's it. Okay. Don't over tighten it not to break the plastic, to damage the plastic, but this should be, I think, enough. And now this one here. This. Okay. That's it. Also this one still a little bit manually. This is it. And the last one. And also, not to forget this one. Done. So this is everything is now done, and I can lower the car. And this was the video how to remove a plastic protection under tray on Renault Twingo 2RS. It is easy. So if you have the tools, it's not a problem. Thank you for watching. I hope that it helped, and drive safe and smile when you drive, because driving is always fun. Thank you. Bye.